Salon-quality hair without paying Dyson prices is possible. Here are the top 5 best Dyson dupes of 2026 you can find on Amazon right now. All product links are available in the description and in the pinned comment. Let's get started. Meet the 7Magic High-Speed 7-in-1 Hair Styler, a powerful all-in-one styling tool designed for fast, efficient, and controlled hairstyling. It features a high-speed brushless motor that delivers strong airflow for quicker drying, advanced ionic technology to reduce frizz and boost shine, and adjustable heat and airflow settings to help protect your hair from heat damage. The ergonomic, lightweight design and interchangeable attachments make it easy to use for everyday styling at home. With this single device, you can dry your hair, create smooth, straight styles, add volume, or achieve soft, bouncy curls with professional-looking results. The Bella 6-in-1 Professional Hot Air Styler, a versatile all-in-one styling tool designed for powerful performance and salon-quality results at home. It features a professional-grade brushless motor that delivers high-speed airflow for fast drying while minimizing heat damage. The set uses advanced ionic technology to reduce frizz, enhance shine, and help your hair stay smooth and healthy. With multiple temperature and airflow settings, you can customize your styling experience for different hair types and preferences. It comes with a complete set of interchangeable attachments, including brush and curling tools, plus a durable travel case for convenience. With this single device, you can dry your hair quickly, smooth and straighten strands, add volume, create natural and voluminous curls, and achieve a variety of professional-looking styles without switching tools. Cozy Companion 6-in-1 Hairdryer Brush is a multifunctional hairstyling tool built to replace several devices with one smart solution. Powered by an ultra-high-speed brushless motor reaching up to 150,000 RPM and strong airflow, it cuts drying time dramatically while maintaining control. This styler features negative ionic technology that actively works to fight frizz and enhance smoothness, helping your hair look healthier and more polished with every use. It includes multiple attachments, such as a hot air brush, oval and round brushes, and bidirectional automatic curl barrels, giving you flexibility for different looks. Customizable heat and speed settings let you tailor the experience to your hair type, while innovative airflow design delivers efficient drying and styling in one step. The dual-direction curl barrels make it easier to create consistent waves or curls without switching tools. With this all-in-one hairdryer brush, you can quickly dry damp hair, smooth and straighten strands, lift roots for volume, and form soft waves or defined curls, all with professional-inspired results in the comfort of your own home. The Ange Hair Turbo Style all-in-one air styling and drying system is designed to give you fast, controlled, and professional styling at home. It's powered by a high-performance brushless motor that delivers strong, focused airflow for quicker drying and precise styling. Advanced airflow technology helps shape the hair while reducing frizz, and negative ion output leaves hair smoother and shinier. This system includes multiple interchangeable attachments, along with adjustable heat and airflow settings, allowing you to customize your routine while minimizing heat damage. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable and easy to use every day. With just one tool, you can dry your hair, smooth and polish strands, add volume at the roots, or create soft waves and defined curls with a clean, salon-quality finish. The 6-in-1 is a versatile all-in-one air styling system that combines the power of a hairdryer with multiple styling functions in a single device. Designed for everyday use, it streamlines your beauty routine by eliminating the need for separate tools for drying, curling, straightening, and adding volume. This styler is powered by a strong motor and advanced airflow that helps dry hair efficiently while maintaining control and consistency. Built-in ionic technology works to reduce frizz and static, leaving your hair smoother and shinier with every use. The tool includes interchangeable attachments that allow you to switch between different styling modes easily, and adjustable settings make it suitable for a range of hair types and textures. With the Amazon Hair Tool 5-in-1, you can quickly dry damp hair, smooth and straighten strands, create soft curls, and boost root volume, all with one compact device for professional-inspired results at home. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to check the description and pinned comment for all the links. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the best beauty tips and reviews. See you in the next video!